In this video, I will tell you the best and the free computer courses which you can enroll in 2022. All these courses are highly beneficial and you can get a job after completing these courses. So the first course in our list is Game Development. Game development is the art of creating games and describing the design, development and the release of a game. You can be a game developer if you are a programmer, sound designer, artist. Many roles are available in the industry. Designing games is one of the best creative jobs. So for learning game development, I would suggest you that you can refer the free course on Udemy. I have given all the links in the description box so you can check it out. It is a 1 hour and 50-minute course. Here you can study the basics of Unity and C#. This course is the fastest way to get into making games. You will be building levels by adding 3D objects of different shapes such as sphere, cube and cylinder. The next course in our list is Android Development. In today's world, apps are very essential. The demand for app development is increasing day by day. The world of app development is limitless. There are unlimited opportunities. Many companies are hiring for app developers. So for app development, you can refer this course on Great Learning. This course is suitable for beginners where you will learn about the basics of Android Studio, how you can make a simple app using Android Studio, Hello World app, random number generator, adding two numbers app. The next course in our list is Web Development. As you know that on internet, we can access millions of websites. There are many websites out there and there is a huge demand for web development. This is a 5-hour course where you can learn the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and how you can create your own website. The next course in our list is Digital Marketing. Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google. We have already made a separate video related to this course, so you can refer that video. So with this course, you will learn the fundamentals of digital marketing which will help you for your business and to build your career. This is a free course which is offered by Google, and after completion of this course, you will get certificate. You can add the details in your CV. After completion of the course, you can add it in your resume and you can easily get a job. Digital marketing is also called online marketing. It includes email marketing, social media marketing, and web-based advertising. It is a promotion of brands to connect with the potential customers using the internet and other platforms. So digital marketing is a boom. Advertising or marketing digitally is a new trend. This has led to an increase in digital marketing job opportunities. So you should definitely check out this course. The next course in our list is Data Science. You can check out this course on Udacity, Introduction to Data Science. If you are a beginner and wants to understand and learn about data science, then you can check out this course. Data science is a process of extracting data. It includes various scientific methods and algorithms to extract knowledge and insights from noisy, structured and unstructured data. And by applying the knowledge, you can convert it into a meaningful data. Data science is the domain of study that deals with vast volumes of data, using modern tools and techniques to find unseen patterns and to derive meaningful information and make business decisions. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any suggestion or queries, then you can ask in the comment box. For more interesting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.